The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is one of the most premium smartphones of 2026, featuring a stunning display, powerful cameras, and cutting-edge performance. But with such an expensive device, protecting it should be one of your top priorities. A quality case not only guards your phone against accidental drops and scratches, but can also improve grip, add useful features like MagSafe compatible magnets or kickstands, and keep your phone looking brand new for years. Starting off our list is the JAME for Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra case, an excellent option for users who want dependable everyday protection without adding unnecessary bulk. Its slim profile preserves the sleek design of the Galaxy S26 Ultra while providing reliable defense against scratches, bumps, and minor drops. The case features reinforced corners that help absorb impact during accidental falls, while the raised edges around the display and camera lenses offer additional protection when placing the phone on flat surfaces. Precision cutouts ensure easy access to all buttons, ports, speakers, and the S Pen without affecting usability. Its textured finish also provides a secure grip, reducing the chances of accidental slips during daily use. If you're looking for an affordable, lightweight case that delivers solid protection while maintaining the phone's premium appearance, the JAME case is a great place to start. Coming in at number 4 is the OtterBox Commuter Series case. Designed for users with busy lifestyles, this case offers a great balance between rugged protection and pocket-friendly portability. Unlike bulky, heavy-duty cases, the Commuter Series keeps your phone relatively slim while still providing excellent drop protection. Its dual-layer construction combines a shock-absorbing inner layer with a durable outer shell to help protect against everyday accidents. Raised bezels safeguard both the display and camera module, while the port covers help prevent dust and debris from entering the charging port. The textured exterior improves grip and makes the phone feel more secure in your hand. For commuters, office workers, students, or anyone constantly on the move, this case delivers dependable protection without sacrificing comfort or convenience. Taking the third spot is the SUPFINE magnetic case for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. One of its standout features is its powerful built-in magnetic ring, making it fully compatible with magnetic chargers, car mounts, and other magnetic accessories. Despite its slim and lightweight design, this case offers impressive drop protection thanks to reinforced shock-absorbing corners and durable construction. The matte finish resists fingerprints while providing a comfortable, non-slip grip during everyday use. The precisely aligned magnets ensure stable wireless charging without removing the case, making daily charging faster and more convenient. If you're looking for a modern protective case with excellent magnetic compatibility, sleek styling, and reliable everyday durability, the SUPFINE magnetic case is an outstanding choice. Our runner-up is the OtterBox Defender Series Pro, one of the toughest protective cases available for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. If maximum durability is your priority, it's hard to find a better option. Built with multiple protective layers, the Defender Series Pro is engineered to withstand serious drops, impacts, scratches, and everyday wear. The rugged outer shell combines with a shock-absorbing inner layer to provide exceptional protection in demanding environments. Raised edges protect both the display and camera system, while integrated port covers help keep out dust, dirt, and debris. Despite its rugged construction, the buttons remain responsive, and the precise cutouts maintain full access to every feature of the phone. Whether you work outdoors, travel frequently, or simply want complete peace of mind, the Defender Series Pro delivers premium protection that's trusted by users around the world. Claiming the number 1 spot on our list is the Spigen case for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Spigen has built an outstanding reputation for producing high-quality smartphone cases, and this model continues that tradition by offering an exceptional combination of protection, style, and everyday usability. The case features advanced air cushion technology in the corners to absorb impacts during accidental drops while maintaining a slim and lightweight profile. Raised bezels protect the display and camera lenses from scratches when placed on hard surfaces, and the precision fit ensures easy access to every button, speaker, port, and the S Pen. Its premium finish feels comfortable in the hand while providing excellent grip, and the overall design complements the premium look of the Galaxy S26 Ultra rather than hiding it. With dependable drop protection, excellent build quality, wireless charging compatibility, and a sleek appearance, the Spigen Galaxy S26 Ultra case easily earns our top recommendation as the best overall case for 2026. That wraps up our list of the best Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra cases in 2026. Let us know in the comments which case you're planning to pick up for your Galaxy S26 Ultra. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.